puro Jollibee franchise, wala bang ibang magandang franchise recommendation dyan? Okay, okay, sige. Bibigyan ko kayo ng iba pang mga recommendation. Actually, nandito ako sa MOA SMX and nandito meron tayong franchise expo. Ayan, iba't ibang franchise makikita nyo dito. So, franchise recommendation. So, ayan, I recommend Hapchan. Napakagandang franchise nito. So, ayan, kuha tayo brochure nila. So, kung gusto nyo mag-franchise, restaurant man, tea house, or noodle house, let's find out. So, kung ayan, restaurant yung gusto nyo, minimum space requirement is 150 square meter. Total investment ay 10 million and kasama na dyan yung franchise fee which is 1.5 million. So kung tea house naman yung gusto nyo, 80 to 120 square meter and then 8 million to 10 million naman ang total investment. Kasama na dito ang franchise fee na 1 million. So kung gusto nyo naman, lastly, noodle house, 40 square meter to 80 square meter ang space requirement, 5 to 8 million naman ang total investment. Kasama na dyan yung franchise fee na 1 million. For more details, kontakin nyo na lang to. Yung tao na yan, nandiyan na yung details niya. Or pumunta kayo dito sa MOA SMX April 12 to 14. Makakausap nyo yan sila, yung mga staffs dyan. So ayan, kung gusto nyo magsimula ng negosyo, hindi nyo na kayo mahirapan, franchise ang sagot dyan. So see you on the other side, guys.